Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're unpacking a massive shift happening right now in the business world. Look, we all know AI is no longer just some fun experimental sandbox tech. It's totally evolved, right? It's literally become a fundamental, non-negotiable pillar of modern business strategy. So we're going to look at exactly how companies are taking that raw technological potential and turning it into actual hard-hitting corporate innovation through enterprise AI. Okay, let's dive into this. We're going to take a structured journey up the complexity ladder today, making sure we ground all that technical jargon in real strategic business value. We'll start by looking beyond basic chatbots, then explore the custom AI advantage, dig into architectural foundations, and finally talk about future-proofing your infrastructure. Kicking things off with Section 1, Beyond Basic Chatbots, and the strategic shift we're seeing across the board. Companies across all sectors are realizing generic tools just don't cut it anymore, and they're building deep, proprietary AI infrastructures to optimize operations and uncover hidden market opportunities. Now, what's really interesting about this comparison is the stark contrast between standard, out-of-the-box models and true custom AI. Pre-trained foundation models are a great entry point, sure, but they completely lack your proprietary context. They don't know your specific compliance rules or your internal bottlenecks. Custom AI models, on the other hand, that's where you fine-tune things. You build distinct proprietary vector stores. It essentially gives the AI a long-term memory of your business while keeping your internal data completely secure under your control. It's kind of like the difference between hiring a brilliant stranger off the street versus training a highly secure, dedicated in-house expert. Which leads us right into Section 2, the custom AI advantage, and how we actually unlock that value. Because let's be real, building a truly scalable, intelligent system doesn't just happen by accident. It requires serious data engineering, deep model tuning, and incredibly clean software architecture. But when you get those elements aligned, the organizational unlocks are absolutely massive. Take hyper-automated workflows. By building these tailored intelligence engines, you're literally removing human bottlenecks in things like multi-tiered data indexing. What used to take days of manual work now takes seconds. Then you've got predictive operational analytics. This is where AI stops reacting and starts anticipating, like forecasting a massive inventory shift, or even better, spotting user churn way before it actually impacts your revenue, giving your team the exact window they need to save that relationship. And finally, context-aware interactions. This means building interfaces that truly understand specific services and target profiles, giving your users exactly what they need without the friction. All right, moving on to Section 3, architectural foundations, where we demystify the tech. Because to actually pull this off, to build a highly capable AI ecosystem, you absolutely rely on advanced architecture patterns to ensure top-tier accuracy, safety, and performance. So the crucial point is how you anchor all of this. And that brings us to RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation. You've probably heard the acronym, but this is truly the engine of accurate execution. Basically, RAG connects your large language models directly to your trusted enterprise data silos in real time. By tethering the AI to your actual verified data, you're effectively eliminating those dreaded AI hallucinations. You're guaranteeing highly accurate data-backed insights instead of just, guessing based on generic internet training data. But wait, it gets even better. The true frontier of enterprise automation right now is Agentic workflows. We're not just talking about polite chatbots waiting around for a prompt anymore. These are autonomous software layers. Step 1, they independently reason through complex, multi-step problems. Step 2, they actually invoke specialized APIs to take action out in the real world, like seamlessly updating a CRM or triggering a financial transaction. And Step 3, they literally verify their own results to make sure the job was done right. It's software that doesn't just talk, it acts. Of course, seamlessly dropping these incredibly complex autonomous models into the hands of everyday users takes some serious work. Advanced cloud applications demand highly specialized web engineering. You really need development squads who know how to build highly responsive user interfaces that can fluidly handle live streaming data states so the end user just feels the magic of the AI without experiencing any of the lag or friction. And that brings us to our final part, Section 4, future-proofing your infrastructure. Because as we all know, AI is evolving at lightning speed, and your enterprise infrastructure absolutely has to be strategically prepared for what's coming tomorrow. And this brilliantly illustrates the ultimate secret to future-proofing, modularity. The underlying software system supporting your enterprise AI must remain incredibly modular. Think of it like a giant Lego set, bringing together specialized data engineers, cloud architects, and product strategists. You want a flexible architecture so you can safely swap out older models for newer ones and deploy fresh capabilities without having to tear down the whole shebang and start over from scratch. So, as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with one very provocative question to challenge your own infrastructure strategy. Are you deploying these AI models into an existing application, or are you building a brand new digital product from the ground up? The path you choose dictates your entire architectural need, your data pipelines, and honestly, your ultimate success. If you're wrestling with this right now, the source material highly recommends mapping out a clear blueprint before you write a single line of code. I'd definitely suggest scheduling an architectural consultation with the AI leads over at Tech Circle to get it right. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive. Keep innovating, and I'll see you on the next explainer.